Hi traders, my name is Duncan Cooper and I'm a Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at AUDJPY Securities. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the key trading levels for the week ahead for the pairs the Australian dollar to the Japanese yen, the Australian dollar to the US dollar, the euro to the Japanese yen, the euro to the US dollar, the pound to the Japanese yen and the pound to the US dollar. So let's get into the first pair. Hi traders, hope you had a safe trading week last week. Now I'm on the Aussie yen daily chart, got my monthly, weekly, daily support and resistance levels all drawn in. Very volatile at the moment, so be very careful. Now we obviously sold down on the Aussie yen last week, breaking below 94.75 daily support, heading towards the next level of support here at 93.06. So closing below the 9400 level. So at the start of the week, the level to watch would be 93.06. Does price come down to this level and start to find support? We could see a relief rally back up to broken support here at 94.75 before a further decline. Of course, we could just move through this level at the start of the week, 93.06. That could become resistance for a move down to test weekly support at 91.41. So those are the levels that I'm watching on the Aussie yen next week. Alright traders, moving on to the Aussie dollar. Now last week we broke below 66.71 and almost tested the 6500 level. Okay, 65.06 is a daily level of support from back in time, and we couldn't move below that on Friday with the aggressive sell-off. So at the start of the week, will the 6500 area offer support for a rally back up to broken monthly support at 66.71? Does that remain as resistance if we get a rally for a move back down? Of course, at the start of the week, 65.06 could break. Look then for the 65.06, 6500 area to be resistance for a further move down. There's some lower levels of weekly support, 62.84, monthly support at 62.47 if we continue to have an aggressive sell-off next week. Alright traders, on to the euro yen. So we broke below 142.31 daily support last week, traded down to the next level of day support at 138.68. So at the start of the week, this is a level to watch. Does this hold? Do we get a relief rally back up the range? This could obviously come all the way back up to broken support to be resistance here at 142.31. Or at the start of the week, do we simply still sell off? Do we move below 138.68? Does that become resistance for a move down then to test monthly support 137.49 and weekly support at 136.86? So at the start of the week, does 138.68 hold? Held there Thursday, Friday, so we may well get a relief rally there. You'll just have to watch what happens at the start of the week. Alright traders, moving on to euro dollar now. These levels I've got drawn in. Weekly support here at 97.08 and 96.91. They're from back in time and a long time ago as well. Monthly support here at 95.99. So of course we're moving down. Last week we broke below two levels of weekly support, 99.52 and 99.04, closing below 9700 by the end of the week. So these old weekly support levels from back in time, will they offer any support at the start of the week for a relief rally back up to daily resistance here at 98.64 or weekly resistance now at 99.04? Do we get a relief rally? Of course, at the start of the week we could just keep selling off. So the next support level to watch if we keep selling off would be down at 95.99. So almost approximately there, the 9600 level. So does the euro dollar have a relief rally? Can it move back up to 98.64, 99.04? You could look at that area to be resistance for an opportunity to sell for the next decline. But of course, we may just keep declining down. Friday was a very volatile day. Euro dollar just sold off for most of the day. So we may well just see the same kind of price action as we move into Monday. Alright traders, on to the very volatile pairs, the pound crosses, pound yen and then pound dollar. I wouldn't be trading this pair at the moment. It's very volatile. It dropped 500 pips approximately on Friday. It could drop another 500 on Monday. It could just reverse all the way back up on Monday, depending on how the market wants to react. So by the end of Friday, we closed below monthly support 156.07 and weekly support here at 155.59. Got some support at daily support at 155.22. Did start to get support by the end of the day in this area. So there is a possibility on Monday that this does offer support for a relief rally. If we get a relief rally, look to these broken levels of daily, weekly and monthly support here. 157.87, 158.06 and 158.21, and it could rally all the way back up from where it came. It broke weekly support here at 159.44 on Friday as well, so it could reclaim its losses. However, we'll just have to wait and see. If we start to trade below 155.22, then we could simply put in another 500 pip day down. And the next key level of support is monthly support down here at 150.97. Okay, so caution for the pound yen there. Extremely volatile, okay? Alright traders, last pair to review the pound dollar. Very negative on Friday after the UK cut the tax rates. So on Monday, the next key level of support is the major low for the pound at 104.63. We can definitely get down there on Monday if this market just simply keeps selling off. So be very cautious. Just manage your trades if you're in trades. Of course, at the start of the week, when we open on Monday, this could simply keep selling off and we could challenge 104.63 on Monday. There's always a possibility as we open on Monday that we start to have a relief rally. If we have a relief rally, resistance, first level is at daily resistance 113.50, and slightly higher up we have monthly resistance now at 114.09. So if we do get a relief rally, this area could act as resistance for a further move down during the week. Of course, if we get an extreme relief rally, we could move back above this area. So be extremely cautious on the pound crosses next week. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan.bray at acy.com to get access.